All right. So, hello everybody. So, if you are here, just type your name. Just type your name in the comment box. Okay. Welcome to an amazing episode. Skill is the next currency. Skill is the new currency. Okay. If you are here watching this, you might be watching this in YouTube. You might be watching this in Facebook. You might be watching this in any of the social media platform. Okay, just put your name. I can see Deepika here. Okay, my lovely community. Some of you are actually joining from my lovely community. Okay, hit that like button, hit that, show some love, show some love. We are just getting started right now. We're just getting started right now. 5 people in the room. I can see Afia here. Hello Afia. Hello Sanidhi. Dushyant here. Nandana here. Amazing. Okay, hit that like button, show some love for the community. Today is the special day. The reason is because my favorite topic, which is skill, is the new currency. How many of you agree? New currency is nothing but skill, right? So if you agree, type it in the comment box. Agree. Type it in the comment box. Agree. Type it in the comment box. Agree. Amazing. Fantastic. We're all set to go right now. Okay, because today we are going to learn the top 30 skills which are required if you are a graduate. Not just graduate, if you are a student, it also requires for you. I can already see Aishwarya joining here. Hello Aishwarya, welcome to the episode. Fantastic. I can see already a lot of people in the room. What I want you to do before we get started, if you think skill building is very important, and your friends also require to know this, I want you to share the link immediately to your friends so that they too can actually be part of here right now and we can get started together. Is that okay? Just share the link with your friends and colleagues where you think it can also help them. Clear? Done. Okay. Running behind certification is not the important thing. What's more important is building the capability to solve people problem with the help of your skill is very important. How many of you agree? Type it in the comment box. Agree. If you agree, type it in the comment box. Agree. You might be a student stuck in, don't know what to do, don't know what skill to build, or don't know from whom I should be learning. Or you might be a working professional being in a job, aspiring to go for high paying career, or you want to start something of your own. If you are in any of this category, I want you to take your hand, pat on yourself. Take your hand and pat on yourself because you have come to the right place. You have come to the right place. I want to show some love. Okay. And if you are a student, type it in the comment section that student. If you are a working professional, type it in the comment section working professional. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, type it in the comment section entrepreneur. That's awesome. Right? So today in this session, we are going to learn the top 30 skills every graduate must have. Okay? Then why are we actually waiting for it? Take your pen and notepad. Let's get started. All right. So thank you so much for tuning here today. I really appreciate your commitment, even though you have your busy schedule, whatever it is, you committed your time to be here, right? So this is Dikshit here, result coach at College Innovators and author of a book called X Thinker Way, and also CEM at Pay for Talent, a system which has been developed from an idea into reality using the skill what I have built it. Okay, and over the period of last 5 years, how many years please? 5 years, I could able to help and transform a lot of hundreds of students and working professional to upscale their career by providing the right mindset, heart set, and skill set with the help of Independent Career Model Launchpad, right? So that's how it's actually going to be today, and I'm so much excited. This is a short introduction about myself. Hope you got. If you are a person who is seeing me for the very first time, you got me right now. All right, so that's going to be really, really awesome. Now we are going to actually learn a lot of things today. Let me actually share that with you by sharing what exactly it is, what we are going to learn today. That there are top 30 skills which we are going to build. There are top 30 skills which you have to build in order to be an amazing graduate. All right, so now you can see my screen. Okay, if you can see my screen, okay, just type it in the comment box, see it. Type it in the comments box, see it. See it. If you can see my screen, type it in the comment box, see it. That's amazing. All right. So now it has been divided into an amazing sections. As you can see here, the part one will be going with some of the concepts where I will be helping you understand why you need to build skills. What is called as a real skill? What do I mean by skill? Is it skill means just knowing some information? Is that the skill? What it is? The cost of not building skill. If you do not build skill, what is the cost of it? What is the benefit of building skill? What are the best way to develop skill? And how you can get started with skill? All these questions will be answered. So make sure that you be there till the end. And in the next part, we are going to learn the top 30 skills every graduate must have. If you can see here, I have been actually segmented or sectorized in this way. There are personal skill which you need to build. There are creative skill which you need to build. There are 14 plus technological skill which you need to build, and 8 life skill which you have to build. And I'm going to share my lovely skills, which is 11 plus high paying skills. And at last, I'm going to share with you one skill. Okay, one skill. If you build, your career is unshakable. Okay, I want you to type it in the comment box. Unshakable. What's the word, please? Unshakable. Right? What is that one skill? If you build, your career is safeguarded. Your career is unshakable. I'm going to actually share that at the end of today's session. So make sure that you be there till the end. And when you be there, you're taking notes, you're learning, you have that attitude of learning and growing to next level. If you be there till the end, I'm going to actually share with you some of my crazy special gift for you. Is that okay? Right now you're happy. If you're happy, show some love, hit some love icon there. Right? So we're going to actually get started with all these things step by step. How it is? Step by step, we're going to get there. Okay, but before that, how can I forget an amazing people, right? So these are actually the people who have been a transformation in my life, right? So let me bring them in front of you, right? So I would like to say thank you so much for Kirtan Prabhu sir, my mentor. Thank you so much for Deepti K. Suvarna. Thank you so much for Jason Sequeria for being in hope for me. The reason is because I'll tell you. There was a time I can totally resonate with you. Some of you are here, some of your students here. You might have done your formal education, doing education loan in the bank, or your parents might be in debt, or your family might be going through so much of difficulties, so much of challenges, but they still could able to afford you a good college. But what really hurts me today is that even though people doing so much of that, at the end of the day, at the end of their graduation, they're not sure about the job, they're not sure about their package, and they're not sure about their confidence regarding skills as well. How many of you, tell me from bottom of your heart, do you really agree that formal education in India today is outdated? If you agree, type it in the comment box, agree. All right? And my journey was not much different than this. I was an engineering graduate. When I actually came to my degree, I was just going with the flow. Yes or no? I just wanted to imagine yourself that how you were. We get in there, we completed 10, completed 12, get in there. Because what's happening today, so much of dumping of information, we learn so much and we vomit that everything during examination, then it is cleaned. Again, next year, you learn so much, you vomit that back, cleaned. Why are we learning so much of information which is freely available today in Google today? That's what all the time disappoints me. If I see that old Gurukul system, how it was actually, there was a culture, there was a system, there was a value. Even the king's son used to go with the guru to learn that. There was a value in it. It was practical to competent. That was literally my journey, my friends. And I decided, if this is the biggest problem, if I could have faced it and if I could have solved for myself, then definitely I can help a lot of people to solve that problem. That is how, over the period of last 5 years, how I'm supporting and helping a lot of people today. It's been an amazing journey, right? So with that, what I wanted to do, if you're very committed to grow here, okay, I want you to be like this cup, right? You see this cup here, this cup. What will happen if this cup is already filled? If I put water, everything spills out, right? I want you to empty your mind right now so that you are ready to get the value. You're ready to get the value. If you're ready, type it in the chat box, type it in the comment box, ready. Type it in the comment box, ready. I'm ready. Let's dive in, right? This is going to be really awesome. You're all set. I'm all set. Let's get started. The 30 skills. And what is we're going to go with that concept, then we are going to go with various different thing. Okay, let's go with this. Right? So what is a skill? Today, many people actually go through this problem. I'm telling you, as I actually shared with you, some of the people go with that flow, even though having a lot of challenges in the family. But I said that formal education is outdated today. But I'll show you what market is saying. Do you want to see this? Let me share that with you, what market is saying about that. Then I'll actually come back and share with you the 30 important skill which you need to build. Okay, be patient. Good. So what market says about the employability factor, why people are not getting high paying career, right? Let's look into this one. Everybody aspire to go for higher education. They want to pass in UPSC examination, or they want to go for high paying job, or they want to start their own company. But in India, this is what happening. Most of the people are in unemployment sector. Most of the people are in underemployment sector. Have you seen anybody in your locality, he has been graduated, but being there in the house for 1 year, 2 year, no employability, no job? If yes, type it in the chat box, yes. Have you seen anybody, the graduates, has been an Ola driver or Uber driver and various different things, but their salary is not sufficient for them? If yes, type it in the chat box, underemployment. The reason is because today it might be the case of them, tomorrow it might be the case of you if you don't build skills, right? If you see job created in the last 6 years, from 2009 to 2015, the job created has been decreased. And you know what happened after 2015 is the COVID-19 crisis. Again, the job created in the marketplace is very less. Many people lost the job and it has went in negative. And when this started happening in 2017-18, there has been a India development debate which has been happened. The employability factor. The total ACT approved institution during that survey of 2017 to 18, there are 10,400 AICT approved institutions, and in that, on that year, the total intake is 35,52,249. And how many people got placed? 6,59,177. What is the reason behind this? This is what Anand Deshpande is the CMD and CEO of Persistent Systems says. Talent mismatch. Jobs expected to be affected due to automation. How many of you agree automation, technology is taking over? Right now we can see Tesla is coming. Self-driving car. How many of you agree if self-driving car comes, how many people lose the job who are drivers? Talent mismatch. It has been said in 2017 that 70 to 75% of the jobs in 2022, which is next year, would require a new skill set. This is what's said by Nandita Gurjar, former HR head in Infosys. Critical skill shortage, no progress in engineers' employability in the past 4 years. Right? And you can also see here, by 2030, more than half of the 12th passed Indians will lack the skills to get jobs. Desperate Indian graduates now don't mind being a driver, maid, or mechanics, which means they graduate. After graduated, they get into different career, could be driver, maid. Now I want you to imagine this. You do bank loan, your parents are in debt, and now you don't get a job, you become a driver, or you become a mechanic, or you become a maid. How's the life is going to be? Indians are not confident of holding on to their job. Even though they get the job, they're not confident of holding it. At any point of time, they may lose the job. So I don't know if they're not competent enough in the company. And when it comes to government job, a lot of aspirants queue up for government job, but only few people get it. And this is what's said by Tech Mahindra CEO. 94% of IT graduate in India are not fit for hiring because skill gap. 3 unemployed people committed suicide every 2 hours in India in 2018. Just imagine yourself, after graduation, 2 years, you don't get a job. Either you will be in depression or you will be in distractions. This is what statistics says. We know former suicidal sector, right? In 2018, the unemployed suicide sector is higher than the former sector suicide. Because what will happen when they're unemployed and a lot of your family members will come and tell you that, okay, did you not get the job? Are you not in a good career? Your parents will be telling so many things. You also do not know what to do because you don't have a skill to actually get in there. Now, in your brain, the anxiety, the hopelessness, the despair, the mental illness, frustrations, psychological behavior leads them into suicide. This is what's happening. Yes or no? Right? So that is the reason why. Right now, I want you to actually take your pen and notepad. Clearly, take that. Take your pen and notepad. I'm going to share that with you. What are the things you need to do? Step by step. What it is called as step by step. Write it in the comment box, step by step. Okay, and write that down. What exactly it is. Okay, let's get in there. Are you ready? Ready to know. I'm excited to actually share this. Okay, now you understood why you need to build skills, why skills are important. Without skill, what will happen? But let's also understand what is called as a real skill, right? So what is called as a real skill? Sometimes we assume, or sometimes we confused that the difference between a knowledge and the practical skill. Let me bring in front of you. Yeah, you can see it right now. Right, the difference between knowledge and skill. What is the difference between knowledge? Knowledge is an information acquired through sensory input. Either could be reading, or could be watching, or could be listening, or could be touching. But what is skill? Listen to me carefully. Skills refers to the ability to apply the knowledge to specific situations. What's knowledge? Knowledge can be easily accessible today in Google. But skill has to be learned from the one who has already done it. Knowledge, it can be self-acquired through observation and study, which you can get it. Skills are developed through practice and with proper guidance. Only knowledge will not lead you to the good employability. Okay, knowledge is not enough. Write this down. Powerful word. Multiple skills leads to multiple streams of income. The more skill you build, the more income streams you will have. Knowledge helps you know things from unknown. Skills builds ability and adaptability. How many of you are understanding the difference between knowledge and skills? Type it in the comment box, understood. What is the cost of not building skill? If I don't build skill, what will happen? If you don't build skills, low employability opportunities, you are replaceable in the company, in the organization at any point of time, or easily replaceable. Yes or no? You are a liability to the company, you are a liability to the family, lots of impossibilities, so much of regrets in life. At the age of 30, at the age of 40, at the age of 50, you realize that, okay, I could have done better in my college life. That's a regret. I lose hope in life by being average. But if you are building skill, what's the benefit of building skill? If you are building skill, there is an increase in employment opportunities. You are always updated to the marketplace. Now tell me, if there is a mobile phone, you always love the new version, yes or no? Which means you're becoming your new version every single day. You're updated to the marketplace because marketplace is changing continuously. We are in that era. It increases your adaptability. You adapt to new things as quick as possible. Then income from multiple sources because you have so much of skills and working from anywhere, and it improves your lifestyle. How many of you are with me? Right? What is the best way to develop a skill? And the best way to develop a skill, is it skill can be learned from YouTube or skill can be learned from Google today? Was that an information? No. Skill has to be learned from a person who has already done it. Let's say you want to learn swimming. Can you learn swimming in Google? Can you learn swimming in YouTube? Can you learn swimming in online? No. You got to find whom? You got to find somebody who have already done it, which is swimming coach. Right? That's the best way to learn. And if you're already building skill, how do I get started my skill building journey, sir? I'm going to share that with you. And if you're already building skill, okay, now it's time for you to validate your skill. Sometimes we assume that, okay, I know something, some information, but I have a skill. For example, you can't say just knowing Java, you know the skill. I mean, if you're understanding, right? That's very, very important things to do. So what are the skill I need to build? Now you understood why you need to build skill. What is the real skill? What's the difference between skill and knowledge? The cost of not building skill. If you don't build skill, what will happen? What is the benefit of building skill? And now you understood what is the best way to build skill. And how do I start my skill? I'm going to actually share that with you. So top 30 skill every graduate must have. Okay, focus here right now. These are the things which you have to build. I have made it as different categories so that you can grasp it as quick as possible and as easy you can understand. There is something called as personal skill. You always know that everywhere you want to go for any company job interview, or you want to build your own company, or you want to build your own system, you want to become an influencer. So anything, the very important skill, these are the two very important skill, what it is. Communication, right? So communication, how many of you agree? Communication, right? So communication is the very important skill. And if you're facing any challenge in communication, there are only 5 type of problem you can face in communication as a skill. What are the 5 problems you can face? Either you're facing language problem, or you're facing content problem. Language problem means you can speak in your mother tongue, but you cannot able to speak in English, or you are not able to speak in other languages. That could be the language problem. What is content problem? When you are speaking with people, you forget everything whatever there in your mind. That's called as content problem. And third problem is confidence problem. You have the language, you have the content, but you don't have that confidence to go and speak. And then you have the connection problem. You speak, but people won't connect. Then call to action problem. For example, I tell you all this thing, but if I don't tell you what are the skill you need to build, there is no call to action. You will be lost. Yes or no? Now, what I want you to do, I want you to rate yourself here on a scale of 1 to 10 on a language problem, where you are, content problem, where you are, confidence problem, where you are, connection problem, where you are, call to action problem, where you are. And put it in the comment box that which is the biggest problem you are facing in this five, which you need to work on. Put it in the comment box. Put it in the comment box. That's the first skill which you need to build in, personal skill. And the second very important skill which you need to build is public speaking. You might be from engineering, you might be studying BBA, BCom, BSc nursing, or BCA, MCA, any graduation you are studying. These are essential skill I'm speaking about. Public speaking. In public speaking, you need to analyze yourself with your accent, your style of speaking, then body language, right? Sometimes you speak just like this, your body, use your gift, then your energy. Why energy is very, very important? Let me actually tell you this. Do you always want to be with boring people? Do you love to be with boring people? Absolutely no. But do you love to be with energetic and enthusiastic people? Maybe yes. Then if you are boring, nobody want to be with you, right? So that is where it actually comes with the energy and enthusiasm in when you are actually speaking. These are the very important skill in terms of personal skill. What are the skill plays? Communication and public speaking. For any graduate, either you want to go for a job, you want to go for UPSC examination, anywhere, you need this. And what are the creative skill which I need to build? These are the four creative skill which are very, very important. Is designing skill. Maybe learning Adobe Photoshop, maybe learning Adobe Illustrator, maybe learning creative video editing, right? And the second skill in creative skill is social media skill. How many of you understand we are living in an era where social media is taking over? Right now you need to have social media skill. It could be Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, or Clubhouse. There is a new platform called as Clubhouse. Okay, if you want to follow me in all this area, what I would highly recommend you is that I want you to visit. Okay, so I want you to visit dikshitkr.com/connect. Okay, don't go right now. Okay, just write that down. Okay, you can visit later. Okay, so that you can connect with me in all this platform. You can ask me question, you can message me, you can ask me anything that if you want to learn and build anything. Okay, good. And what is the third skill, creative skill, which you need to build is writing skill. Writing is one of the most important skill and also ignored by many people. Okay, it could be letter writing, it could be email writing. I have seen so much of graduates who do not know how to write an email, right? So blog writing skill, these are a writing skill which you need to have. And the fourth important creative skill which you need to have is self presenting or self promoting. How do you present yourself? For example, you go for an event, you go for an family, it could be your you go and meet a new family, or you go and meet a new friend. How do you present yourself? How do you promote yourself everywhere? This comes under creative skill, right? Are you learning something? If you're learning something, type it in the comment box, learning. Type it in the comment box, learning. Type it in the comment box, learning. Very good. Okay, what are the 14 plus technical skill which are highly required in today's market? Let me actually share that with you. These are the skills. These are the revolutionary technological skill which definitely you need to have. But the tragedy today is that most of the institutions doesn't teach this in a skill building way. 3D printing technology, yes or no? One of the biggest technology which is actually coming. Artificial intelligence technology taking over the world right now. Virtual reality technology. How cool it would be before even the construction of a house happens? If your customer can walk into the house and feel and see the house with the help of virtual environment. Machine designing and planning, app development, developing your own mobile apps. You can't say, I know just programming languages, maybe like Java, maybe like Python. No, what have you developed using that programming language is matters a lot. Internet of Things, robotics, microcontroller, machine building, electrical skill, augmented reality, web development, software development, and various different skills. And not just learning this, but some of the graduate, what they do is that they build some of the project. If I ask them, do you know robotics? They say, I know robotics. And when I ask them, what have you done in robotics? They say, I did some small project. No, that's not enough, which means you don't know the deep level of robotics. What is that meaningful project you have done? Write this word, what it is called as meaningful project. What is the meaningful project you have done which can solve people problem? That is called as innovation as a skill. How do you bring out innovation with the technology? Could be after that, from project to product. You create a project, then you get that into product creation, packaging, research, like that it goes. These are again important skills. Technical skills, right? What are the 8 life skills? My favorites. Be here, my friends. So 8 life skill which you need to have. Number 1, driving as a skill. How many of you are rider here? If you're a rider, type it in the comment box, rider, or type it in the comment box, I am a rider. Driving as a skill is a life skill, yes or no? In order to survive here, you need to have that. Personal finance managing. Today, statistics says that 80 to 90% of the students spend their parents' money unconsciously. People don't become rich by making more money. They become rich by managing their money properly, by investing their money at the right place. How many of you are understanding that? Right? Personal finance managing. The skill of investing. Spending, there is no return. We go out, we spend, we chill, we party, there is no return on investment. Right? And the best investment, write this down. The best investment you can make is on yourself. Make yourself as an asset so that you can create more assets in the external world. Invest on yourself to learn more, to grow more, to build more skills. Right? And the 4th life skill which you need to have is computer skill. Might look silly, okay, who may not be knowing computer. I have seen a lot of graduates not even used a computer before coming to my training sessions, right? So computer skill, in computer skill you need to know the word, maybe simple thing, maybe Word, Excel, PowerPoint, mind map. Right now I'm creating this mind map. Can you see this? There's the mind map, because our mind have that high absorption rate when it is being presented in mind map. What is the 5th life skill which you need to build? Public relationship. How do you have the relationship with your neighbor? How do you have the relationship with the owner of the vegetable shop? These are all common things, yes or no? The 6th very important life skill is grooming yourself. The way how you look, the way how you groom yourself wherever you're going. And the 7th, skill of being a team player. Whenever you have been provided with skill of being a team player, you play for the team. And the 8th very important life skill is basics of law. We all know the people who are riders here, right? When police caught us, what do? We don't know the law. There are basics of law which we need to be knowing. I'm on a journey of learning that right now, right? So what did we learn? We learned personal skill, communication, public speaking, designing skill. In creative skill, designing skill, you need to have social media skill, writing skill, self-presenting, self-promoting. And in the technical skill, we have seen 3D printing technology, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, machine designing and planning, app development, Internet of Things, robotics, microcontroller as a technology, machine building, electrical skill, augmented reality, web development, software development as an innovation as a skill. And in the life skill, driving as a skill, personal financing, managing your finance, the skill of investing, computer skill, public relationship, grooming yourself. These are life skills. Do you think your branch matters here? Oh, I'm an engineer. I doesn't need to learn the computer skill. I doesn't need to learn the public relationship. I doesn't need to learn the personal finance managing. No, it requires for everybody. Yes or no? Then let's get into a high paying skill. What are the 11 high paying skill? Let me actually bring that in front of you. Before that, I would like to ask you that is this valuable? If it is valuable to you, are you learning something? I want you to put it in the comment box that valuable. Type it in the comment box valuable if it is valuable to you. Hope you're also making the notes. If it is valuable, type it in the comment box that valuable. Valuable. Fantastic. What are the 11 high paying skill which you need to build? And the first skill is sales. The sales is one of the high paying skill in any organization. When you become an employee in any company, you get the salary, right? If you want to get a good salary, the sales needs to happen for the company where the revenue, sales brings revenue. Because you see any of the organization, people who are in the sales execution level, say sales executive, they'll be getting high paying jobs. Sales is one of the important skill. And the second important skill is investing, as I shared with you, could be in FD. It all starts from FD. I remember when I was a kid, I started just with the FD, putting it to bank, right? Then later it will actually gets you to the stocks, real estate, and various different things. And content creation, creating your own content, these are high paying skill I'm speaking about. And ability to influence. Oh my God, how many of your influencers here? I can see some of my influencers buddies who are here. Just type it in the comment box. I'm an influencer. Ability to influence. And the next skill is system and process development. You see any organization, any companies, people who are in the next level are the people, they are not workers. They plan and develop a process and system which can execute every single thing what they plan, right? System and process development. And the another skill which is very important skill is community building. Wow, I love this. I think I have spent so much of time on building community, and it has taught me so much of life lessons also. I think I will be doing another video on this. And the seventh high paying skill is video making skill. How many of you agree? You coming in social medias and speaking with people, making your videos. I remember my first time was actually, I was very shy. I was not able to speak in front of people. I was not knowing English communication. I was struggling a lot. But it all started. Write this down. Every master is once a disaster. Right? It all starts from step one. Step one to step two, step two to step three. Like that it goes. Then skill number 8 in high paying skill, webinar and presentation skill, very important skill. Skill number 9, problem solving skill. How do you be resourceful? How do you step forward to take leadership, planning and execution? Let me give an example for being resourceful. Let's say for your house, a guest has come and your mom will tell you go and get a cup of coffee. And now you see that shelf, there is no cups. All are in the washing bucket. Now, how do you be resourceful? Do you just go and say that, okay, all the cups are not there like that? That is becoming unresourceful. Or do you find a way to give a coffee? That's being resourceful. That's a simple example, right? And the 10th very important high paying skill is leadership skill. There are 3 types of leadership. It's one of the high paying skill, leadership skill. 3 types of leadership. High result based leadership, high relationship based leadership, and balance in result and relationship leadership. What do I mean by high result based leadership? High result based leadership means where you, in simple language, you call it as a boss and various different things. Where you're so much of result focused, but with you and with your team, there is no relationship, there is no emotion, there is no connection, nothing. It's so much of dryness. And this kind of team will not actually last long forever. High relationship based leadership. Here is where you don't focus on results. Too much of emotion, too much of connection, not good. The right kind of leadership is balance in results and relationship leadership. And the 11th, the last high paying skill is emotional balance. How many of you agree? Emotional balance is very important. For example, let's say you are in a work, you get a lot of things, you get stressed out. How do you react to that? Right? So, emotional balance. In our colleges, we always taught to be good at IQ. IQ means intelligent quotient. You got to be intelligent. You got to be the first person in apart from all the people. But what they don't teach you is EQ and AQ. EQ is emotional quotient. Sometimes people will be very good at intelligent quotient, but they will not be good at emotional quotient. That's why I told you, whenever I'm coaching and training students and working professional, I always coach them with IQ, EQ, and AQ. AQ means adaptability quotient. When the life is changing, how quick enough are you to adapt to new things? Right? So these are the 11 high paying skills. And my dear friends, are you ready? Are you ready to unlock this? One skill to build your unshakable career. What is that one skill? If you build, you will build an unshakable career. Before that, let's actually have a quick glance at what did we actually learn. We learned the different types of skill. Communication as a skill, language problem, content problem, confidence problem, connection problem, call to action problem. These are the problem. Public speaking, your accent, body language, energy. And in creative skill, designing skill, Photoshop, Illustrator, creative video editing. In creative skill, social media skill in all the social medias, writing skill, email writing, letter writing, or in the creative skill, again, self-presenting, self-promoting. And in the technical skill, as I shared with you, all the technological skills, right? And in the life skill, as I told you, driving as a skill, personal finance managing, the skill of investing, computer skill, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, mind map, various different tools. Public relationship, grooming yourself, skill of being a team player, basics of law. High paying skills, sales, investing, content creation, ability to influence, system and process development, community building skill, video making skill, webinar and presentation skill, problem solving skill, leadership skill, emotional balance skill. These are the skills, right? But nothing happens overnight. It takes time for you to go from practical to competent, competent to cash cow, which means you don't become an expert in anything. You start. When you start, then you take yourself to the next level slowly, right? What is that one skill? Because right now we are in a life where ever changing life. How many of you agree? Right? We are all going. There was a time industrial revolution was there. In the industrial revolution, that time if anybody get a job, that was enough for them. But today we are not in an industrial revolution. After that, we got into a computer revolution, internet revolution, 1G. Today we are getting closer to 5G. And 2010 onwards, 2020 and still continuing, social media revolution is coming. And 2020 onwards, we know all COVID-19 has hit the market and we are getting into a serious challenge, which is health revolution, which is people are conscious about health. How many of you agree? Type it in the comment box, agree. Type it in the comment box, agree. Right? Now, when we are in ever-changing world, changing constantly, the skills which you need to build is changing. What is that skill which you need to build? Let's see that. Let's unlock this. The skill of building new skill. This is the skill which you have to build, a skill of building new skill. Because when you start building so many skills, your adaptability quotient is very high and you're very good enough. Your skill of building new skill is the way forward in future. How many of you say yes? If you say yes, type it in the comment box, yes. The skill of building new skill is the way. When you build all this skill, when you build 18 plus skills, you have the ability to build 19th skill. How many of you are understanding that? Right? So let me actually summarize all this thing, what we have learned right now. So there are various different type of skill, which is high paying skill, then life skill, then we learned 14 plus technical skill, then we have learned creative skill, then we have learned personal skills. Right? You did not learn. Right now I'm bringing into your awareness so that you know what are the skills which you need to build. Right? Then what else? As I told you, then we also learned why you need to build skill. Now you tell me how much it's important for you to build skill on a scale of 1 to 10. Just type the priority in the comment box. Tell the priority in the comment box. How much important for you to build the skill? Write down the priority in the comment box. Awesome, fantastic. It's very important. Deepika says 10, right? I'm very happy for that. And since you're staying till the end, and since you are being there till the end, okay, what I'm going to do right now for you is something very, very special. Okay, so what I want you to do, if you think that I need to build so much of skill, okay, right now I want you to pick any 5 skill, whatever the skill I have shared, any 5 skill which you think you may not need to learn all the skills together. I want you to pick 5 skills which you think which you need to work for the next 90 days. For the next 90 days, which you need to work on, what are the 5 skills which you need to work on? Pick that up and possibly put it in the comment box. And once you pick that, what is your next action step? If you're a committed individual to build it forward and grow and take yourself to the next level in this changing era, what I want you to do, so first very important thing, as I actually communicated with you, right? So subscribe to this channel for more content, because I will be coming live every single Saturday. Every single Saturday at sharp 7:30 p.m. I will be live with various different topics on this channel. So make sure that in order to get notified, you subscribe to this channel and hit a like if you like this video, and comment that what is the learning from this video. Okay, and share with the people whom you think they need to actually get known about this. It can really help them. Share it to them, right? And the second special thing, what I would actually share with you is, if you are a committed individual, what I wanted to give, this is a special gift. Since you are staying till the end, I'm going to give the access for 90-minute success cluster meetup. This is the place where a lot of people from various different parts of the country come and build a lot of skill. Any 5 skill which you have chosen, you want to build it forward. You want to find a person who have already done it. You want to have PPR. Write this down, past proven result. I want you to visit dikshitkr.com/SCM. Write this down, dikshitkr.com, DEEKSHITHKR.com/SCM, and register yourself, and our team will be connecting with you, and they will actually support you be part of this private community. And wait, it's not yet done. You have a special gift. Third gift, I have been put forward so much of my experience being with a student, understanding the problem and finding the solution for them, and supporting and making them to transform themselves from one level to another level, which is my book, which is recently launched a book, X Thinker Way. It's already changing people's life. It's already changing people. If you want to get started with that, I want you to visit dikshitkr.com/X Thinker Way, DEEKSHITHKR.com X Thinker Way /X Thinker Way. Visit now and get your copy. And the final special gift is, if you think there is no other way to think, sir, I want to be part of it, I want to get started with my journey, I want to get started with building my skills, profile system, and various different things. You want to continue the journey, if you like the way how I teach, if you like the way how you need to actually grow yourself to the next level, if you want to join my tribe, visit DEEKSHITHKR.com/ICML. The special gift for you, I want you to take action. Don't be a spectator, yes or no? When you're going forward, when you're actually making the decision, you got to make the decisions. Nobody is going to help you. One day you will have a regret not building anything. Don't be in a mode of complaining. My college did not teach me this. Nobody told me to build skill when I was in first year. When I go to company, they reject me. Don't be in that complaint mode. Be a problem solver. Solve your problem first so that you can start solving other people's problem. Be an asset to yourself. Create yourself as an asset. I told you the best investment you can make is on yourself. Right? So make sure that you visit. Okay, there is a special thing as I actually shared with you. So which is dikshitkyar.com/xthinkerway. In order to get your copy of Xthinkerway, I'm very pretty sure that it can deliver so much of value to you in order to get that clarity. Okay, and if you want to get notified, if you want to be part of my private Facebook community, I want you to visit dikshitkyar.com/value. You want to get more updated of this. Okay, you want to get so much of content every single week, then be part of dwkshithkr.com/value. Okay, so that's it. I was really enjoyed. Hope you actually learned so many things today. Okay, so this is not the end. I'm telling you, this is the beginning. Now what I'm trying to do here in this channel, in this live, is bringing that into your awareness. You did not build the skill right now. You just got into awareness. Oh, these are the skill I need to have. These are the life skill. These are the personal skill. These are the technical skill which I need to build. Do you just say you want to build? Because last time you said you want to build, but you did not build. But today you're regretting that. Do you want to make the same mistake again? Or do you want to get started with that? Okay, so make the decision. Okay, so take the opportunity, visit dwkshithkr.xthinkerway and get your first copy and start reading that. Okay, or if you want to be part of India's largest, one of the success cluster meetup, visit dikshitkyar.com/scm. Okay, let me put that here. SCM. Okay, SCM. Yes, this is a here. Okay, dikshitkyar.com/scm. Our team will be connecting with you and support you in that journey. So thank you so much for being here. I can see an amazing set of people. Okay, if you enjoyed it, type it in the comment box. Enjoyed. If you enjoyed, type it in the comment box. Enjoyed. This is the beginning. I'm telling you. There are a lot more to come. If you have enjoyed, just put it in the comment box that enjoyed. That's amazing. Right? So thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you for being here. It's been an amazing time because I always love to deliver that value, support people. The reason is because I have gone through that and I have literally experienced and I can feel the problem what you're facing through: lack of clarity, lack of that emotional imbalance and distraction, various different things. Right? So take the support. Okay, take the support. And thank you so much for being here for this episode number 1. And I'm going to back again on next Saturday, same time, same place, same channel. Thank you so much. Tata, bye bye. Have a great day. Good night.